Empathy and the empath, understanding the power of emotional connection. Empathy is a universal human emotion that allows us to connect and understand each other. It is the ability to feel and understand what others are going through, whether they are experiencing happiness, sadness, anger, or any other emotion. Empathy is what makes us human, and what makes us capable of forging meaningful connections with others. But for some individuals, this ability is heightened to an exceptional degree. These individuals are known as empaths. What is an empath? An empath is a person who is highly sensitive to the emotions and energy of the people and environment around them. They have a heightened ability to sense and absorb the feelings and emotions of others, and often feel these emotions as if they were their own. They are intuitive, compassionate, and highly attuned to the emotional world around them. Empaths are not limited to human emotions, either. Many empaths can sense the emotional states of animals, and even the subtle energetic vibrations of places or objects. Characteristics of empaths. Empaths often exhibit some or all of the following characteristics. Highly sensitive. Empaths are highly sensitive to their surroundings and the emotions of others. They often absorb the feelings of others, making it difficult for them to differentiate between their own emotions and those of others. Intuitive. Empaths possess an uncanny ability to understand people's feelings and intentions, often without any verbal communication. Compassionate. Empaths naturally feel a strong sense of compassion and understanding for others. They often find themselves drawn to helping others in times of need. Avoids crowds. Being in crowded environments can be overwhelming for empaths, as they are bombarded with various emotions and energies. Empaths often prefer to spend time in smaller, more intimate settings. Loves nature. Many empaths feel a deep connection to nature. Spending time in natural settings can be grounding and rejuvenating for them. Struggles with boundaries. Because they are so in tune with others' emotions, empaths often struggle to set personal boundaries. They may easily become overwhelmed or drained by the emotional needs of others. Strong gut feelings. Empaths often experience strong gut feelings or intuitions about people or situations. Their ability to sense the energies around them makes them naturally attuned to potential dangers or red flags. Challenges faced by empaths. While being an empath can be a gift, it can also come with its own set of challenges. Overwhelm. The constant absorption of others' emotions can become overwhelming, leading to emotional exhaustion. Lack of self-care. Empaths often prioritize the needs of others above their own, making it difficult for them to practice self-care. Boundary issues. Empaths may struggle to set boundaries with others, leading to burnout or feeling taken advantage of. Negative emotions. Empaths can absorb both positive and negative emotions, and may struggle to shake off the negative energy they've absorbed from others. Physical symptoms. Some empaths experience physical symptoms such as headaches, stomach aches, or fatigue as a result of absorbing others' emotions. Empowering the empath. Despite the challenges, empaths can learn to embrace and harness their unique abilities. Self-care. Empaths need to prioritize their own needs and practice self-care regularly. This includes setting boundaries, taking time to recharge, and engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation. Grounding techniques. Empaths can benefit from grounding techniques to help release absorbed energy and reconnect with their own emotions. Techniques such as meditation, spending time in nature, or visualizing roots connecting to the earth can be helpful. Protective measures. Empaths can learn to protect their energy by visualizing a protective shield around themselves or carrying protective stones such as black tourmaline or amethyst. Empathetic listening. Empaths can use their ability to understand and connect with others as a powerful tool for empathetic listening. By being present and truly listening to others, empaths can support those around them. Intuition. Empaths can harness their intuition and gut feelings to make decisions that align with their personal values and intuition. Conclusion. Empaths are highly sensitive individuals who have a unique gift for understanding and connecting with others. While this ability can come with challenges, it can also be a powerful tool for building meaningful connections and making a positive impact on the world. By embracing their empathic nature and learning to manage their energy, empaths can thrive and find fulfillment in their unique role as emotional connectors.